Hi guys, it's Nitu, and today I thought that I'd try something out that I tried out twice already, and I thought I'd let you know what happened, how it turned out. Have you seen that video, or maybe on Pinterest or somewhere on Tumblr, that there was this girl who used red lipstick to hide her under eye circles? The first thing I did was I put red all around my eyes, and well, actually I didn't do the top part, but I put red on my eyes, and at first I put it on thickly, and then I tried to cover it with concealer, and it really showed through, and it wasn't good. So then I did it lightly, but the red still showed through, even with concealer. I put 3 layers of this 3D lifting concealer by Kiko over it because I didn't want to use like my good NARS concealer, so I used the cheap Kiko concealer, you know, because it's a test, right? So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it with a coral lipstick and an orange lipstick. Okay, this is a matte orange by Etude House. I heard that for my skin tone and for my dark circles, that orange or coral colors would work better, or even yellow would work better to hide the dark circles, because it really depends what color your dark circles are. I don't understand this whole color thing, because my dark circles just look brown. They don't look blue, they don't look green, they don't look red. They look brown. So I don't know what they're talking about when they tell me, oh, it's blue or it's purple or something. It's like, how? Where do you see the purple? I see brown. I don't know. Do you see color under your eyes? So anyways, on one eye, I'm going to lightly put the orange, because I found that if you put too much, you know, lipstick and stuff, I just think it'll show through. So with the red, that's how it was. So I'm going to lightly put it on, not like so thick like what they did in the video. So on this side, I'm using this orange shade. It's OR218 by Etude House, just a matte orange. I'm going to use a coral color, so it's kind of like pink. So it has that red in it, but it also has that orange in it as well. So I'm going to put that under here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have the coral on this side and the orange on this side, and now I'm going to cover it with concealer and see which one's better. But the red really didn't work on me. I just didn't like how it looked. It blended with the concealer, so it just looked like I was wearing blush under my eyes in the end. Yeah, so I just didn't like the red. I don't know why it worked for some people. It didn't work for me. So I'm putting a lot of concealer too. And I'm trying not to rub, because it'll rub the lipstick off if you rub. Okay, and the same on the other side. It looks quite thick actually, and I still feel like it just doesn't look natural, you know? What do you think? Oh no. So this is the result with the red lipstick, which I did try before and I didn't film it, but I was just trying it out for fun. It definitely showed through. The lipstick showed through after a few hours. It showed through even more, and you get the creasing that you get with thick concealers, and this is a thin concealer that usually doesn't do that, but with lipstick under, it did crease and stuff, and it just doesn't work with the red lipstick, so I don't think it's feasible for every day. So if you ask the question, does this thing really work? I would say with red lipstick, no. With orange or yellow or coral lipstick, I think that's better. It works better, but I'm not sure that it works better than just using a good concealer and maybe putting 2 or 3 layers of that concealer on, instead of doing a layer of lipstick and then another 2 layers, because just 1 layer of concealer kind of doesn't cover up the lipstick very well. So you're going to need to use 2 or 3 layers of concealer anyway. So, and I have really dark circles to begin with, but I was wearing BB cream, so, you know, that's why maybe I look a little better. But yeah, I don't think it works. So, I don't know. It was a short video this time, but I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!